Okay, now the cover is off of this top, okay? There's a switch, it just kind of comes out. I just had my air compressor running, I believe you could hear. I'm going to blow out inside here of the motor. Okay, it looks a little burnt from the pellet stove dust here on top. We're going to blow down inside this. Now we're going to flip it on real quick. This is all plastic, by the way. Alright. Now I can also put a little WD-40 in the bearings. Alright, catch ya. Okay, I've taken some white lithium grease, multi-purpose, okay, and I put it, forced it into here. I've kind of rubbed it in and pushed it down in there, turned this machine on, turned it off, again packed it back in, took my air compressor nozzle and lightly blew, press it in, as well as wiping it down and pressing it back, pulling it back against the edge and working this down in there, then turning it on, and it's running fairly smooth. Check it out. See how it fills up right there, see? And I'm just pressing it back in there because it gets warm. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rag and wipe off the excess. But I want to make sure it's all worked down into the bearings. This has ran for about 18 years and has never been cleaned. This is amazing. The other thing I've discovered is, I'm sure today they're probably plastic, but the fan blades down in here, okay, this is a metal. I hope Ridgid is producing the same quality. That's tin, guys. Plastic, metal, tin. Okay, but I bet you these fans today are plastic. But these blades, this suction blades here, are all metal. Okay, so that's incredible. So if you have a chance to get an older Ridgid, probably be worth your time. You just know what to do now. You pop this off of there and you clean this. Alright, I'll show you after it's all back together and working. Okay, now, see these edges? This is where the filter goes, okay? So this just goes here. Alright, you get this pressed in down around the bottom of this. Okay. This fits. Oh, I gotta get this lined up with the holes first. And I'm gonna make that mistake. This is what you don't do. Alright. Alright, there's the holes. There's this hole, it goes here. Alright, and then these two go there. Now we get this pressed in here, get it fitted. Alright. Alright, there we go. Now, everything's in a perfect alignment. Okay, there you have it. Let's go this way. Alright, then we're going to go over here and put it on the unit. Alright, here's this. And this goes here just like this. Alright, there you go. Okay. The next thing that goes will be, now this is where everything was really packed in here and really crowded up. Alright, but this is where this goes. This goes right here. And this snaps into place. Goes in a special location. Oh, here we go. Alright, you see these right here. Alright, kind of look like spider's teeth right there. Okay, well, that goes in that little notch. Find the notch. Alright, that goes into those notches right there. Okay, that's what you gotta look for. These, alright, go into it right there. You gotta look for these little details. Okay, so let's take this and get this here. Alright, and then that presses down in there. Everything, there you go. It's all together. Time to put in the screws. What a deal. I'm also taking these and I'm putting them in by hand. Alright, so I'm taking this driver, Phillips driver, and I'm getting these in and started really well by hand before I just drive them in with the drill gun, because you can cross thread it too easily. And so to prevent the cross threading, start them by hand until they're down in there. That's almost down. Okay, they're all about the same. And that way you don't cross thread, so they don't get loose and then you have a problem. Okay, for those of you who don't know, you've got this. This is a hammer symbol. So this is a hammer drill. Okay, when you turn it here. This is for regular drilling, and this is for when you're just trying to put a screw in. Then you've got these numbers, okay? This is for the number of strength that it's going to drill into. Okay, it's 1, this would be 2, obviously 3, dot, 4, 5, and so on. Now when I'm screwing in woodwork and I'm wanting to really just crank something in there, I'll turn this all the way up, okay, to 15, 17, 18, clear to 21 if I have to. Alright, 22. But for this particular, right now, application, I'm going to have it down here on 1, and I probably need like a half, which they don't make. So I am going to put this on, it's on 1, and then get this started. Okay, and looks like that's probably pretty good. Alright, then the same here. Okay. I'm going to have to hold this and snug it up just little by little, so I don't strip them now. Now you don't want to strip these out, so you want them just snug. All right.